Have you ever felt small? Like you're just one person and the world's problems are too big to fix? Well, let me tell you a story about two little brothers, Asad and Fahad, from the bustling heart of Lahore. One sunny afternoon, 8-year-old Asad and his 5-year-old brother Fahad were playing cricket in their street. But it was hard to play as plastic bags fluttered like sad kites, empty bottles lay in the gutters, and the smell, well, it wasn't the sweet smell of jasmine you'd hope for. Fahad wrinkled his nose. Asad, it's so dirty here. Asad looked around, really saw the beautiful, colourful buildings and the lively people. But he also saw the mess that was hiding the beauty of their home. He felt a little sad. He remembered his grandmother's stories of a cleaner, greener city. "What can we do, Fahad? We're just kids," he sighed. But that night, Asad couldn't sleep. The image of the dirty street was stuck in his mind. The next morning, he woke up with an idea. A small idea, but it was a start. He found an old sack and a pair of gloves. "Fahad, come on, we're going on a mission," he announced. Hesitantly, Fahad followed. They started right outside their own doorstep. Asad picked up a plastic wrapper, and Fahad, copying his big brother, picked up a crumpled juice box. It was slow work, one piece at a time. Soon, their small sacks started to fill up. An uncle from the corner shop watched them for a while, a smile slowly appearing on his face. He came out with a big, strong garbage bag. "Here, beta," he said, "use this. You're doing a wonderful thing." A little while later, some of their friends, who were on their way to play, stopped and stared. "What are you guys doing?" one asked. Asad, feeling a bit more confident now, replied, "We're cleaning our street. Want to help?" To his surprise, they did. Suddenly, there were 10 small hands instead of 4. They formed a little cleaning army. They laughed and joked as they worked, turning a chore into a game. The pile of garbage grew, but so did the clean patch of street. People started peeking out of their windows and doors. An auntie brought them cold juice and biscuits. Their own father came out, beaming with pride, and joined in. By evening, their little section of the street looked completely different. It wasn't perfect, but it was theirs. It was clean. Standing there, tired but happy, Asad looked at Fahad and all their friends. They hadn't cleaned the whole city, not even the whole neighborhood, but they had cleaned their part, and it felt amazing. They showed everyone that it doesn't matter how small you are. When we come together, even the smallest hands can do wonders. What small step will you take today? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories.